Dear children, welcome to the class. As you all know, Unit 2 is based on the principles of Kayagave Kailasa, work is worship. Throughout the unit, we came across great personalities who were the representatives of this principle. They set examples through their life for others to follow. They were able to bring positive changes in the society by their selfless efforts. In the prose part of Unit 2, we touched upon Bhaskaracharya and Sir C.V. Raman. Now, in the poetry session of Unit 2, we further explore the importance of work through a beautiful poem, The Little Busy Bee. In the poem, The Little Busy Bee, the poet asks us to be purposeful and resourceful in life like a bee. We should be useful to the society in which we live. We will learn about one such personality who needs no introduction to us Kannadigas. He was born in our own vicinity, Chikballapura in Karnataka, who grew up to become Bharat Ratna Sir M. Vishwesharayya. He also was the Diwan of Mysuru state. Sir Mokshagundam Vishwesharayya, more commonly known as Sir M.V., was an Indian civil engineer and statesman and the 19th Diwan of Mysore. He was knighted as the Knight Commander of the British Indian Empire by King George V for his contributions to the public good. His birthday, 15 September, is celebrated as Engineers Day in India, Sri Lanka and Tanzania in his memory. He was the chief engineer of Krishnarajasagara Dam in the northwest suburb of Mysuru city and also served as one of the chief engineers of the flood protection system for the city of Hyderabad. As a student, he earned money by giving tuitions to students to pay his school fees. He was always busy in some useful work or other. He used to work for more than 10 hours. He was punctual, self-disciplined and straightforward. He lived for 101 years. Now, for a small introduction on the author of the poem. Mr. Isaac Watts was an English Christian minister, a hymn writer, a theologian. A hymn is a type of religious song usually praising some deity. Theology is a systematic study of analyzing the supernatural and religious belief. He was a linguist. Linguist means one who knows many languages. He knew Latin, Greek, Hebrew and French. Watts displayed interest by rhyme from an early age. He is recognized as the godfather of English hymnody. Now, I will read the poem once in full for your understanding. You may repeat after me if you want.
How does the little busy bee improve each shining hour and gather honey all the day from every opening flower? How skillfully she builds her cell, how neatly she spreads the wax, and labors hard to store it well with the sweet food she makes. In works or labor or of skill I would be busy too, for Satan finds of mischief still for idle hands to do. In book or work of healthful play let my first years be passed, that I may give for every day some good account at last.
How does the little busy bee? Does is the old Victorian era English usage for the word does. You may read it as how does the little busy bee? Improve each shining hour. Here, improve means make good use of or to utilize fruitfully. Shining hours means bright colors. Here it means daytime. Poet wonders how the busy bee manages to utilize every single moment of the day and gather honey all the day from every opening flower and keep on collecting honey tirelessly going from one flower to another all day. How does the little busy bee improve each shining hour and gather honey all the day from every opening flower? The poet is wondering as to how the little honey bee is so busy, how it becomes more energetic and works even harder as the days goes by. He also wonders how it is able to gather honey all day long, moving from one flower to another. How skillfully she builds her cell. Cell here is a compartment of the beehive. How neat she spreads the wax. If you watch the hives, all are similar, uniform and neatly built, and labors hard to store it well. She does all this work to store the honey for future. With the sweet food she makes. Here sweet food means honey. How skillfully she builds her cell, how neat she spreads the wax, and labors hard to store it well with the sweet food she makes. Means the poet tells us that the female honeybee skillfully builds the cells inside the honeycomb. She neatly spreads the wax, makes honey from the nectar, and works hard to store it well. This is what a hive looks like. See how honey is extracted from the hive. It works of labor or of skill, I would be busy too, for Satan finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. It means being inspired by the busy bee, the poet too wants to be like it. So he says that whenever he has to do some work or show his skill, he will be busy doing it. For he feels that otherwise Satan will try to influence the person who is idle and make him to do something mischievous. Here it reflects the proverb, idle mind is a devil's workshop. In books or work or healthful play, let my first years be past, that I may give for every day some good account at last. It means the poet wants to spend his childhood days reading books, working and playing healthy games. He wants to be able to pass with flying colors in whatever he does. So that whenever he has to give an account of what he has done, he will be able to give himself a good feeling that he has utilized his time in a fruitful manner. Now we will move on to the question and session. Hope you all have got the moral of the poet, moral of the poem, what the poet has tried to convey. Question number 1. Who is the poet speaking about? Answer. The poet was speaking about the busy bee. Question. Why does the bee sit on the flower? Answer. The bee sits on the flower to collect nectar. Question. How does the bee build her cell? Answer. The bees are very clever and build the cell by using wax, which is secreted from its body. The cells are uniform and beautiful. Question. I would be busy too. Who does I refer to? Answer. I refer to the poet himself. Question. What does sweet food mean in the context? Answer. In the context, sweet food means honey. Question. Who does Satan manage to work through? Answer. Satan managed to work through idle people. People like the bee because it is clever, it sits on the opening flower, it works hard, they get honey from it. The answer is they get honey from it. And labor hard to store it well. Here it refers to the bee, the honey, the wax, the flower, and the answer is the honey. Question. Why does the poet call the bee busy? Answer. The poet calls the bee busy because it is always busy doing some work or the other. Question. Let my first years be past. What does first years refer to? Answer. The phrase first years refer to the boyhood or early years. Question. How does the poet want to spend his first years? Answer. The poet wants to spend his first years reading useful books, healthful play or fruitful work. Question. Why does he want to do so? Answer. The poet wants to involve himself in useful activities so that he could give a good account of himself at the end. He could get a feeling that he has utilized his time in a fruitful way. Question. How can you say that the bee is intelligent and clever? Answer. The bee does not waste a single moment in its lifetime. It builds its hive skillfully, collects honey from the flowers and also stores it for future. Question. What is admirable about the work of the bee? Answer. The bee's dedication, commitment and skill are admirable. Question. Why does the poet want us to be like the bee? Answer. The bee is always busy. It does some useful work or other. It never wastes its time. So the poet wants us to be like the bee. Question. Why should not we keep ourselves idle? What will happen if we are idle? Answer. An idle mind is devil's workshop. When we are in idle, mischief and destructive thoughts will fill our minds and cause damage to us. Question. What is the message of the poem? Answer. The message of the poem is that we should always be involved in some useful activities like the bee. So now we will move on to the assignment session. Question. Which lines do you like from the best in the poem? Give reasons. Pick out the rhyming words in the poem and add more words to the rhyming pair. Example. Play, day and may. That's all for the day. Thank you.